Welcome back to another Dashcam ride. In this clip, we are rolling down Interstate 95 North, making our way out of Philadelphia and back to New Jersey. You can see the steady flow of traffic, the mix of city life and open road, and of course those classic American highways. For those of you watching from outside the US, what do you think of America's roads and driving culture from these videos? Is it what you expected? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you're enjoying these dashcam journeys, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe for more. Thank you.